everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got this box from Misfits Market and I'm going to open it up with you and find out what's inside. It's a little damp because it's been raining like a lot. And they're using the Climacell insulation again. This is not sponsored by Misfits or anyone else for that matter. I paid for this box, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you my receipt and go over exactly what I paid for everything in this box so that you can tell me if it's worth it. So stay till the end and we'll go over that receipt. We've got 2 ice packs, which are a little defrosted. This flimsy piece of cardboard, which I don't know what they expect that to do. I really wish they'd stop putting that in here. And I wish that they would put the ice packs either on the side or on the bottom. Misfits, if you're watching, try that. It will work. Other companies do it that way, and it works just fine. Putting the stuff on the top smushes everything. Like, see, look, my spring mix. This is the 2nd week in a row. Look at this. It's so smushed that it's opened. And it's not in great condition. And you know what? I have to take a picture of this because for some reason, Misfits says you have to do that. It's because of the ice pack. It's gross. It's yucky. This is not in good shape at all. Ugh. It's all wet. Yeah, that is not even close to being salvageable. It feels sandy too. Ugh. Oh, and the spinach, look. The spinach is open. And that's because of that ice pack on top. So I gotta take a picture of this, sorry guys, but if I don't do this now, they'll tell me I was too late. Last time they said, you know, you gotta tell us a little sooner. And I'm like, well, you know, I don't always have time to do the videos that quick. Okay, this we know is okay. February 1st, 2022 on this bread. And this bread is January 25th, 2022. And this is, they're both the Essential Baking Company Take and Bake bread. This is sourdough and this is French. They are shelf stable. And I have never had any issues keeping them in my messy pantry. But I have seen posts in the Friends of Misfits Market group on Facebook where some people have had some issues. So it might have something to do with humidity, or if the seal on the vacuum pack on the inside has been broken. I'm not sure, but I know some people have had some issues. So I just wanna put that out there. I personally have never had any issues. And if I do have issues with something, I tell you. Just like this, right? And then we have, what is this? Ooh, some nice beefsteak tomatoes. I wish I had lettuce to go with it, but the lettuce is pretty nasty. The tomatoes look good though. And some plums. Oh, wow. Oh, runaway plum. These are beautiful. They're huge. They're firm. They are, this is like the perfect plum. And then we have some white nectarines, and this time we did get 2. I don't know if you remember last time we got one very giant nectarine. They did give me a credit for that, by the way, because I did send them a love note, as I like to say, to let them know about it, and they did give me a credit. Wow. I thought I was getting 2 artichokes, but I've got 3 artichokes. This is awesome. These are beautiful artichokes, and I think it was only supposed to be 2, but it looks like they gave us double what I thought we were getting. Wow. And then we've got some lemons. These are nice, large lemons, and I've run out of lemons, so this is good. And the lemons go really well with the artichokes, too. So many lemons. Look at this. Beautiful. Lemons. Some corn. This is great. Nice looking corn. Some scallions. These are large. Like the bulbs on these scallions are large. They're falling apart. But they're in better condition than they've been in past orders. Uh-oh. We got a broken summer squash. It's missing its top. But again, this is the kind of thing that is going to happen when you just kind of toss everything in a box, right? This one's okay, but, well, I mean, okay is relative. Look. Oh my goodness, that is not okay. That is a nasty looking summer squash. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of this. I think it's silly. I think that Misfits should just honestly take my word for it, because I've been a customer now for a year and I've posted a video of literally every single order except for one. And the reason I didn't post that one order was because I had an audio issue where I actually didn't record any of the audio. As soon as I said that, I was like, oh wait, what if the audio isn't working this time? But it is, it's working. One lime, hopefully there's more. And I think this is the almond oil, and we've gotten it before if it is. I almost used it all up, so I got some more. Yes. I love this stuff, and there is amazing price on this. I can't remember exactly what the price was, but like I said, we're gonna go over that receipt when we get to the end of this. Oh my. I got some gluten-free mixes, sugar cookies and chocolate cake. And the reason I got these is because we're approaching the holidays. I mean, we are approaching the holidays. And I do like to bake at the holidays and give treats out to my skaters and their parents and their families. So I'm preparing. And this expires December 31st. And this one expires February of 2022. So I've got time on these. Here are the rest of the limes. Some taco kit from the Garden of Eden. Every time I see this brand, I think of my friend June, who I used to work with when I had an office job, a traditional job when I was in marketing. And June was the executive assistant to my boss, and I love her. And she actually just sent me a message recently that said she missed me. June, I miss you too. And every time I see Garden of Eden, I think of you, because you always used to bring in chips from the Garden of Eden. And she would think it was the cutest brand. Then we have some broccoli with some corn silk stuck to them. Now, everything's very green except for what's yellow. That was a funny statement. Everything is very green except for what is yellow. The zucchini's in good shape. It's a little nicked up, but that's fine. Okay, so I think that's it in this box. I'm gonna show you what's in here and you'll see what I mean. Everything is green except for what's yellow. Look, see? Everything is green except for what's yellow. That's what's in the sink. Then we have the almond oil too. We have the breads and the bake mixes, the Garden of Eden tacos, the spinach and the spring mix. Then we have our fruits over here. Okay, so now let's get that receipt that I've been telling you I have. Everything here is organic. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive than conventional produce, but I think the prices for organic from Misfits Market are usually pretty good. And they're generally better than the prices from when I get anything from Imperfect Foods. So the limes were 5 for $2.49. The plums were 4 for $2.69. The lemons were 6 for $4.98. The nectarines were 2 for $2.29. The organic scallions were 1 for 49 cents. That's a deal. The tomatoes were 2 for $2.49. The zucchini were 2 for $1.19. The broccoli was $2.89. The squash was 99 cents for 2, and it's not in the best condition at all. Like, I'm gonna tell them about the squash being yucky. The corn was 2 for $1.99. The spring mix was $2.99, but it's all smushed and open and gross. The spinach was $2.99, and that was also open. The artichokes were 4 for $4.99. And it says baby artichokes, but guys, these are not baby artichokes. These are full-size artichokes, and they're awesome. Super happy about that. The almond oil. Like, if you go to the store and buy this at Whole Foods, it's gonna be $9.99, sometimes $12.99. This was $5.99, and that's why I got it. That price is amazing, and I've never seen a price like that anywhere. The sourdough bread was $3.99. The French bread was $3.99. The taco kit was $2.99. The gluten-free sugar cookie mix was $2.99. The gluten-free chocolate cake mix was $2.99. So my subtotal was $56.40. Shipping was $4.50. I did have $11.56 in credits because I had written them a love note about some problems with my last order, and they gave me some credits. So my total was only $49.34. So all of this was less than $50, guys. And Misfits says that's a savings of $25.21. But what do you think? I think this is a really good value for under $50. What do you think of this? Is it worth the price? Is it overpriced? How does it compare with your Misfits orders? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't tried Misfits yet, remember, I have a link in the description below where you can save on your first order. So go down to the description, click through that link, and you can save on your first order, and it helps me out because I'll save a little bit on my next order too. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with someone else, and just post it to your social media too. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week that can help you live a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.